Oh, hello, it's Christian. I just woke up in Berlin and I'm searching for a driver called Martin. I would take a look in. Yeah, there's somebody in. Yeah? I will knock on the door and ask him. Okay, thank you, bye. Are you Martin?
Yes, I am Martin.
I had the information that he's a pretty good driver.
I live on the farm. It's a small farm, but I live 80% in my truck.
I also heard that he's very into motorcycles, into horse riding.
So now we go to the stable.
So Martin, it's my first time on the horse. What should I do now? I feel pretty uncomfortable. I hope I don't lose the camera. I'm on a horse.
Perfect.